Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by identifying the base shape and gathering precise dimensions. This is critical because surface area combines base area with lateral area. Measure the base edges and the perpendicular height between the two bases, then convert units to match. Once done, compute the base area using the appropriate formula. For a triangle, use 1/2 times base times height. For a rectangle, use length times width. And for polygons, use known area formulas. Make sure measurements are accurate to minimize error downstream. Next, find the perimeter of the base by adding all its side lengths. This perimeter determines the lateral area because the sides unwrap into rectangles. Multiply that perimeter by the prism height to get lateral area, L equals P times H, and be mindful that each lateral face equals side length times height. Once calculated, check each intermediate value for consistency and recompute any suspect measurements. If the base has unequal sides, compute each lateral rectangle. Separately then, sum them. Finally, add twice the base area to the lateral area to obtain total surface area. SA equals 2A base plus L. This accounts for both bases plus the wrapped sides. Convert the result into square units and round only as required by precision rules. If your total seems off, check 3 common problems: unit mismatch between height and base, wrong base formula for the shape, or an incorrect perimeter sum. If those fail, remeasure or recompute individual components to isolate the error.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.